Hey guys, Brian here. Today we lifted an already capable truck. But first, for those of you that don't know SoCo Customs yet, let me introduce you. All right guys, we have merchandise in the shop right now. We've got hats, we've got t-shirts. Make sure to make an order. We will ship nationwide. But as I said, today we lifted an already capable truck. This is a 2020 Toyota Tundra TRD Pro that we sent up 4 inches on the Ready Lift kit. In order to retain the factory remote reservoir shocks, this kit will use spacers. This is a full lift kit that includes dropping the cross members, so no going back to stock from here, guys. This customer opted to keep the 18-inch factory TRD wheels. They definitely look awesome, but we did wrap them in a 35-1250 Nitto Ridge Grappler. There are a ton of builders out there that swear by these. They're definitely quiet on the road, can get you wherever you need to go without beating you up. I am definitely pumped about the stance on this thing. Hey guys, that's what we've got for you today. Thumbs up, subscribe, follow, buy you some merch. What are you waiting for? Peace, y'all.